Hi guys, kitchen is a disaster. I have like 15 different things going on at once. But I turned the camera on real quick because I wanted to share with you what I do when I buy a big package of chicken, boneless, skinless, tasteless. Let's be honest, it is quite tasteless until you cook and season it and add all your fixins. But anyway, the butcher or the people at the supermarket always say, Penny, you crack me up. I'm like, I'll have a pound of the boneless, skinless, tasteless, please. But anyway, this is what I do to make it easier on myself, and it takes about 15 minutes. So when you get it on sale for $1.39 a pound, $1.69 a pound, buy the big pack, bring it home, clean it off, the ooky shit that you don't like, because I don't like any of that, and chop it up the way you like it and label the packages. So real quick, I wanted to show you what I do. Like here, see this package? Stir fry. I slice the chicken, slice them, vertically or diagonally. I don't really know what it is, but I sliced them thin for like a stir fry, and I labeled it. Okay, chicken sandwiches. See, chicken sandwiches. I cut a breast in half. I cut them in quarters, so I get 4 per breast. Sometimes I get more if the breast is still thick. I slice it twice, but I have on here 5 chicken sandwiches. Here's chicken parm. I sliced 2 in half, real thin. I'll pound them out. See what it says? Chicken parm. I mean, guys, look at this. I'm going to be doing a Chick-fil-A hack in the air fryer because everybody wanted to. So I don't need a lot when I'm doing the video. So it just says Chick-fil-A. All right? I mean, there's so many things you can do ahead of time for yourself to save it, to save yourself time. That's how I'm able to cook quick. So I thought I'd share my little tidbit with you. I hope you try it out. Oh, peace. Hey, lovers. Guys, I'm in the mood for a little junk food. Yeah, some people might say all my shit's junk, but I don't care. Anyway, I have many friends up north in Canada, and PMT, and Rena, and Cheryl, and Heather, the lovely Heather. They're all friends and subscribers to my channel. They're very helpful. They're very supportive. I worship them to no end. But we must not forget my favorite Canadian of all, the Beebs. I love them a lot. But anywho, guys, what are we going to make? The Canadians have perfected, invented, and love. Poutine. You got it. Not Poutang, but Poutine. So anywho, guys, calls for 3 magical ingredients. You need some French fries, and I got some in my air fryer, cooking away, okay? I used a long cut seasoned fry. Of course, they're gonna be delectable with some fresh cut fries, double fried, blanch them off, yummy, yum, yum. Then you need some cheese curd, okay? Curds can be expensive, I found, but these were $4. It's a 6-ounce package. This is a local cheese factory called Yancey. They make amazing cheese. Their factory is amazing, and it's local, so I'm using a local product. Then you need some beef gravy, chicken gravy, turkey gravy. You need some gravy, and that's it. So I know I'm talking, you want to see a little action, but till everything's all together, I'll bendy and I'll show you how you assemble it, and then we'll have a little nibble of our yummies. When everything is all done, well, my gravy's done. It's bubbling and simmering. Look, I made a little homemade gravy with a little beef stock, little cornstarch, a little salt and pepper. Yeah, nothing but the best for my poutine, right? If I were making it for the boys, they'd be getting an envelope of brown gravy. Wah, wah. But anywho, so they're almost done. As soon as the fries are done, we're going to come back and we're going to assemble. Be right back. Okay, I'm excited, aren't you? I mean, I don't know if you know this, but French fries are probably in my top 5 of all-time favorite things to eat. Oh, I could eat them like pizza and pasta like there's no tomorrow. Because why? I'm a carboholic and I like good things. So anyway, I have everything right here. I just got to get the fries. Okay? All right. Can you hear them? They're sizzling, crispy, crunchy. I'm going to take them out of my air fryer. I'll bend you down as soon as I do this. I put them in a clear bowl, guys, so we can see everything all around. All right? Does that sound like a plan? All right? Okay, they're super, super hot. And we are definitely having a cockatiel Bud Light Orange with our poutine. Okay? So, gravy's got to be hot, hot, hot. Fries got to be hot, hot, hot. I'm going to bendy so you can see. Look, here's my beautiful French fries. Look, aren't they beautiful? I got some seasoned long cut. Oh, God. Look, steam them. Okay? All right. Here's the curd. Oh, mouthful. Here's the cheese. Oh, my God. See, look. Oh, my God. They're fresh cheese curd. Okay? Now, we have our gravy. Steaming hot. And this is, you have to make sure you pour it over the cheese. Each curd gets a little, because that's how the curd gets melty. Can you see? Can you see this deliciousness? Guys, come on. Come on now. Who's your mama? Who's your daddy? Who's your baby? So, like, I've never eaten them. I better get a fork. Holy fork. Holy forkage. All right, guys. All right. Look. I'm going to bend you up. It looks so good. Okay, look. A little beer. That's what you get. This bowl of deliciousness. Look at that gravy. Look at the cheese curds. Oh my God, you just gotta let them sit for a minute. Oh, so they get nice and hot and melty. Oh my goodness gracious. I put some more gravy on because I like a lot. Okay. All right, we're gonna try the fry first. Gravy is delicious, guys. I'm a little concerned. Why isn't my cheese curds getting super, you know, I don't know. Was I supposed to do something ahead of time why they're not, or they don't get really that melty. But I got one right here. Let's check it out. Guys, the cheese melts in your mouth. It's so soft and creamy and dreamy. Oh, guys. Me likes the poutine. Me likes my kid. Oh, they're starting to get, stringy, yummy goodness. Who doesn't like fries and cheese and gravy? Guys, I hope I did my Canadian friends proud, because guys, I could eat it all day long. Bon appetit to you up in the far north. Oh my God, guys. You can't stop eating it. And you know what? Once I stop filming, I probably won't. Ooh, that's a big bite. I'm gonna burn my mouth. I'm going in. Guys, you saw that. What a nice treat for your family. Fries, gravy, and cheese curd. Make them the best poutine you can. Pick your favorite gravies, pick your favorite fries. And cheese curds come in all kinds of flavors too. So, you know, mix it up a bit. And you don't have to have an orange beer. Have any kind you like. So, I'm going to have one more from me to you. Don't forget to subscribe. Why? Who doesn't want an Instapot? So, comment, subscribe. Love ya. Peace.